Not a bad week over here in the crypto space. We can see we are starting to see some green enter the markets once again. And I think when we get to October, the markets will catapult, go absolutely booming. And I think things look very good. Now, remember, in times of fear, it's a good time to be greedy, right? So capitalize on the fear of others. And I think this kind of last few weeks has been a good lesson about sort of dollar cost averaging and taking advantage of sometimes the fear and the anxiety in the markets as well. So we're just going to jump right in. This video is talking about meme coins, and if you get into a meme coin at the right time, it can be life-changing. You can make 100x potential gains on your money. Now, remember, this isn't financial advice. It's always high-risk, high-reward entities, but let's talk about it. So coin number one is going to be TopG 1500. It's the most relevant meme coin in the space right now because it has a true story behind it. If you've been watching my videos, you already know what it's about. And I want you guys to do your own due diligence and research on this token. So I will leave relevant links down below. So I got around here on the 31st of July, 2 weeks ago, got quite a lot of guys in, especially in my groups, up now 370-ish%, so nearly a 4x now for those people that did buy in at this earlier level. Congrats to you guys. I'm very happy if you made some big money over there. And it's always the nice early calls that sometimes do well, but we can see we had fantastic consolidation over the last few weeks, a very big breakout recently as well for this coin with insane 4-hour green candles and a bit of selling pressure, of course, at this new all-time high that it put through at 0.0031. So looking at the stats, you've got a $2.7 million market cap, which is really low. You got 184k liquidity, and I think we could see this thing hit $4 million by Friday this week. And I think if it gets to 4 million, it's just going to keep on going up because so many people are talking about this coin right now. We could get a new breakout as well, taking us to all-time high levels based on fibs to around about 0.004, which will be absolutely insane for this token. So here is the coin. It's a Solana meme coin, and I think it has got big potential, and it's already done, okay, since you guys got in a 4x, and I still think it can do another 4 or 5x from where we currently are. So it's a fully doxed meme coin. Jake is the developer here. He's walking from the UK to Romania to meet Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate. So tell me another meme coin that's got such a powerful story right now with real conviction, with real meaning behind it. Here is their Twitter, 5.766k followers. So I advise that you guys do follow them, stay in the know of what they're doing. You can see, of course, they're working really hard. They've been trending recently on things like DexView, Dex Screener, and yeah, it's really good to see the buying appetite for this token. You can see day 53 walking from the UK to Romania to meet the Tate brothers. So they got back up. There's a big recovery from like 1.5 million on the market cap up to 3 million, a big 2x just over the last sort of day. And I think more is to come. We just got to be patient and wait for that next wave up and get more eyes on the project. So do check out that one down below. I will link it there. The TopG 1500 token is on Solana. You can, of course, buy it on DEX like Radium or Jupiter, or you can just buy it directly on the DEX Tools website by connecting your wallet right there. Next, going to be Pepechain. This one is so relevant to me because right now it is literally about to go up in price. You can see they've raised 8.739 million. When they raise another $16,000, the price of this coin will go up. So Pepe now has its own blockchain. It's going to have its own dedicated block explorer. And that's really, really cool. You can see this is a layer 2. This is all about speed, security, low fees, and of course meme coins at the same time. Pretty good. There is a token audit, and I think we'll see this go live on DEX and centralized exchange in the next few weeks. There are 8 billion total tokens, with 20% being sold in the pre-sale. When we look at the current price of 0.009, that gives it like a live running market cap of I think around 1.45 million and an FDV fully diluted market cap of around 7 point something million. So yeah, sort of high 7 millions on that side. So it's still a low market cap gem that could do something quite good. Now staking, there is 225% per annum on the staking side of things. If you like compounding your rewards, there's certainly the opportunity to do so. They've got 10.6k followers, and they did just literally just yesterday celebrate an $8.5 million raise, which is absolutely huge. And yeah, coin's looking good, guys. I think this could be a big one in the crypto space. Of course, not financial advice. You can buy it by connecting a MetaMask wallet or a DeFi wallet and converting either Ethereum or Tether into your Pepu tokens, or you can always switch chain to things like, BSC, but you won't be eligible for the staking, but it will mitigate those larger gas fees for you. So yeah, really, really cool stuff. Also just want to say before we move on to the next coins, be sure to become a patron. Patreon link is down below. This will help you make money in the crypto markets by accessing trading signals and alpha calls. We will help you learn to trade, we'll educate you, we will hold your hands through the market and hopefully expose you to some massive high value opportunities. Space is limited, so check down below. Boom! If you want to make some crypto gains, get that time, location, financial freedom and all that, please do check it out down below. Now moving on to the next coin will be coin number 3, which is actually going to be Mcoin, and I think we could see Mog also have a nice sort of bounce out this symmetrical triangle. This is a larger market cap of 563 million with a 14.4 million liquidity, which is locked in. So every single time this coin does get down to this sort of trend line of support, seems there's a lot of buying action going on. You are seeing that pump to the upside every single time so far. I think we're in that area where we might be getting a jump soon for this coin, and I think, not to target the top at 0.0277, but I think if you're looking to make a kind of smaller swing of around 40 to 50%, I think we could be seeing that soon for Mcoin as well. It's very big, huge presence, 77.9k followers, the internet's first culture meme coin, and this is the website right here. So you can see that $560 million market cap with really, really big volume over the last sort of 24 hours. You can see it's got base contract address, Ethereum mainnet contract address, and basically it says MOG is the internet's first culture coin. So very simple website, very basic, but a very high value kind of cryptocurrency opportunity. Moving into coin number 4, this is a big high risk, high reward one, and it's mainly because I've identified this key area of support for this token. So this is a long shot and probably the one I'd be least likely to actually buy into. But when I do see a falling wedge pattern like the one that we've got on screen, it does make me think, okay, what is the real breakout potential? Where are the areas of kind of resistance for this particular token right now? Well, we can see there's a lot over here. And this sits just below that 0.382 Fibonacci extension. So we could potentially be preparing also for about a 55% move to the upside. I would, of course, expect selling pressure on this resistance, and then it might come back down, but there could be a bounce out of this particular hole at the moment, especially if the upper resistance trend line is retested at 0.0016. This is a very low market cap gem coin, or 350k MC with 128k on liquidity side of things, so please don't risk more than you can afford to lose, because it is a high risk, high reward, absolute dog crap coin, if you want to call it that. So this is the Jackie meme. Very few followers, undoxed, un-KYC'd. So like I say, this is not for the faint-hearted. I would not even put more than $50 into this, or $100. Personally, myself, I would leave my main buying reserves for coins like TopG, where I'm comfortable to hold large amounts, like over $5,000, and also Pepechain Unchained, where I'm more comfortable to do the same thing, and also MOG, because, well, way more TVL, larger market cap, and a reputation. So yeah, Jackie is just a bonus degen coin. Not for the faint-hearted, but I really think this TopG coin here is what we're going to see explode to the upside soon. And I really think we can still see this coin go absolutely wild and maybe even remove a zero. So to summarize this video, coin number 1, TopG 1500, the link is down below. Have a little look, ladies and gents. Coin number 2, Pepe Unchained, the link is also down there. And for the others, well, I don't have links for them, but if you do want to join my Patreon group, then we're going to get you into more early calls so you can make some more money in this market. We've got 1 crypto champion slot available. We're going to get technical analysts, give you trading signals, early access to the pre-sales, leverage, spot signals. But if you want those big early alpha calls to get into things like TopG 1500 really early before the crowd, to buy in at levels like down here and ride that up to the stratosphere, then become a crypto legend today. I'll see you soon. Bye for now, and subscribe, like this video. That really helps me, helps you, and it will help you achieve your crypto goals. Bye for now. Peace.